Look at these LED lights. Aren't they so nice? Let me turn the lights off and show you. Don't they look so good? Now these are LED USB lights. LED stands for light emitting diode. And when you see we have USB, it means that we have to plug it in. Now these LED lights use very little power, even though there's 200 LEDs in this chain of lights. This chain, since it's USB, a USB will take maximum 5 volts from the socket and with a current of 0.5 amps at most. But I'm guessing since these are USB LED, I'm gonna guess that there's going to be about a quarter of an amp or 250 milliamps of current in these LED lights. So these LED lights won't even use 2 watts of power. Even our home light bulb uses like 40, 50 watts of power. So these lights are very efficient and they can be used in various different occasions because they don't use as much power, not as much voltage or as much current. So they're extremely energy efficient. Now, when I turn these lights off, you can barely even tell they're there. In this video, I'm going to explain how we installed these lights without poking or putting any holes in the walls, putting them off efficiently and professionally so that when we turn them on, they look good. So, we bought these LED light strip off of Amazon. It's a 66 feet LED light strip with 200 LEDs. And we also bought these Command mini hooks, as you can see here. Here's one hook, and it comes in a pack of 40. They're mini hooks, especially for this job, because the LED light string width and thickness isn't that high or large. And so we bought these mini clips, and we can use them to attach it to the walls. So we bought these Command mini LED hooks and this light strip. And as you can see, this light strip also has a remote, which means that there's different modes that you can put it on. So once you plug it in our USB and turn the button on right here in the corner, then you can control it using this remote. Of course, we have the on and off, and then we also have the timer. So you can have it on for 8 hours, 6 hours, 4 hours, 2 hours, however long you want them to be on. Let's say you're sleeping or doing some work and you don't want to manually turn it off. Then you can have this timer. There's also different modes. So for example, let's say the third mode. The third mode would be these switching lights, as you can see. The eighth mode is just solid. The eighth mode is just solid light so that it doesn't irritate or anything. The first mode is this twinkling light, and there's different modes, various modes on this. You can also increase the speed of how fast the lights are switching or moving. You can also increase or decrease the brightness of the lights. And on the hooks, as you can see, on these hooks, we also have to stick them to the wall using these special stickers that come in the same packet as the hooks. These stickers, when you put them on the walls, you can also remove them using this small plastic tab here. And you can remove them without actually removing any of the paint off the walls or destroying any of the wall. So, here it is, as you can see. This is the sticker. So, this is how you can efficiently put on these lights. And I hope you can do this professionally, and it's a really good way to make your room look really nice. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye.